this is Chris Jenkins, and I wanted to review this product for you that's launching on the 17th. It's called Email ToolKit. If you're not building your list, then you need to build your list, and you need to do so. Start right now, no matter what niche you're in. This will be the most powerful thing that you do online, and this toolkit is actually really neat because it actually comes with 10 different tools that will help you with your email marketing. So everyone needs this. I actually love this. I'm going to start using it for some certain things that I want to do with my emails, and I like that it's all in one dashboard. So I wanted to do a quick review for you so that you knew exactly what you're getting here and what you can do with it. So let's just start out, and all this comes with the front end product, by the way. There is a headline generator, and I'm just going to put in make money, and it will give you tons and tons of subjects that you can use in your emails. In fact, there's 319 here. Isn't that cool? So if you wanted to actually do different niches like dog training or something like that, and you want to keep these, you can download the entire file of them. And as you can see, if you can't come up with a subject or even something to use for your ads, you could actually use this for ads as well outside of emails. You could use this for little short blurbs on your ads. So there's many uses you can use for this, but it's just a really cool little headline generator. Okay, email formatter. I basically write everything in 50 columns anyway, but whatever you want to do. But this thing will actually wrap your words for you. And so like this should be in second line. The second line of the email. Okay, and we're going to see how it comes out here, and we're going to submit it. And if you look down here, yep, there it is. It wrapped the words for me, and it actually wrapped a couple of the others because I actually went over on there's another one here. I think this one right here, I actually went over 50, but I try to stay under 50 to 60 is what I like to do. And if you keep your emails tight this way, and you can just copy this and put this straight into your autoresponder. There's a spammy subject, and you can use this for one word or whatever else. There's a couple words that you actually will notice. Profits. You can't put profits. You can put profit. Actually, the word free, which I'm terrible at doing and I forget about it. But if you put free, like if I put that, then guess what? That's spammy. If I did it like this, which I need to do, and I know you've seen people do this before, you can either put a dot in between each one or one dot, whatever you want to do, then it will actually not be spammy. So there's different things, and this will help you so you know, so you can hit the inbox better. And you can actually do it with one words as well and paste like a bunch of words here and find out if they're spammy. There's an email extractor. Basically, let's see, I did not read the directions on all of this or go through the tutorials. Let's see what this actually does. Extract. Oh, it's giving you the email that you're actually, that it's the person used. So it pulled my email out of there. So anyway, let's move on. The email countdown is really cool. You can actually go down here and use this. This will actually give you a timer to put in your emails, and you can pick like there, pick a time and generate, and it'll give you the code. And I think I actually picked the time wrong here. I gotta do this. 10:45. There we go. Generate. See, and it'll count down, and you can just take this code right here and put this inside of your email. And actually, this is pretty cool here. And I mean, there's other softwares out there that'll do this stuff, but this is all exclusive in one online dashboard. And see, there's an image, so you can actually embed this in an image file as well. There's email magic, and basically what this will do is it will allow you to let's see what actually email magic. It'll personalize your emails with the subscriber names to get more clicks and results from your emails. So let's see what this will do. You actually drag an image in here. Oh, you can put image in here, and you get your image code, and you can size your image before you put it in the email itself. Oh, that's cool. And you can personalize it as far as to the person as well. That's neat. Okay, I haven't used this yet. I need to use this. This is pretty cool. Like I said, I haven't gone through the tutorials or anything. I'm just jumping in here because I've done a lot of emails in the past, and this is one thing I've done. And so most of this stuff is pretty straightforward for me. But this is something really cool that I'm going to look into using. There's actually a list cleaner in here, and this is a simple list cleaner. Now, this isn't going to be the greatest list cleaner. I'll be honest. This is one thing that I wish it would have been a little bit better on for this tool. And here's why, is because let's say you are doing an email here, and I put in another one that basically is long. I'm just going to make this one up, and you'll see what I mean. And like I said, I wish this was a little bit better, but okay, and we're going to submit, and here I'll show you why. It's because I made this email up. This is not a good email, but it says it's valid, and this one does not have a proper extension, so it is invalid. So this is what they call a basic email list cleaner. I really wish it would go into to where it would verify the emails and send them off and make sure that they're a good email. But hey, I mean, it does come with 10 tools in one, so but I'm just telling you straight up, this is one thing that I would have been not really impressed with this part of the tool. So I thought it could have been better. Gmail preview here is pretty cool because you can actually put in your preview, and it will show you, as you can see, there's no sense in me doing too much, but it'll show you how it's going to show up in Gmail. You know how it puts the extra part of the email. So you can actually test what you wanted to show up, and this will be your message content. So this will show up. You see how that works? So it's going to show up across your Gmail. So that's kind of a cool little tool too. And then this is one I like here, is you can pick your emojis, and I'm going to start using emojis more. I've done a little bit of testing with them and getting some results. I think as long as it's not overdone. But you can actually do this. This is a test email. And if I wanted to put one more in, I could do it. I'll just put that in for the fun of it. And if you copy it, then basically you can take it, and let me just put it in here and paste so you can see. And it will actually show you, or put this in the subject. So you can take these right over to your autoresponder and put them in. And like I said, some autoresponders have that, but most of the ones I use have not done the emojis yet. You have to have a separate tool. And then, of course, there's an email masterclass that he recommends that you can click on and check it out when you're in here. Which it should be, it's a good masterclass. I mean, Anchor knows exactly what he's doing on it. And there's a support link and everything else. So that's it for the email toolkit. I just wanted to run through it really quick. I think it's a really good tool to pick up for the price. I think there's a couple things, like I said, that could be improved on them. You will have some upsales on it as well. The front end version, like I said, it comes with 10 apps. Your OTO1 is going to be your email finder software. So this will be really good for offline businesses as well. And hey, if you're trying to get cold leads or whatever else, you also need to be aware, or you're doing offline stuff, you're still going to want to do build your list, because it's basically a client list instead. And so you may have specials that you're sending out or whatever, or per client. So, and you need to find leads. Well, this email finder software will allow you to do that. And email digger software, it will be another upsell, which would be kind of the same type of software, but a little bit more in depth, because you can actually dig up the emails from a domain and go into that. And then, of course, there's the Email Genie software that he will offer you as well, and you can check that out when you get there. I have not looked into that yet in the funnel, so make sure you go through that when you get there. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the review, and I hope you take action and build your list, most importantly. And if you liked my review, then please comment down below. And if you going to pick up the software, then please do so through my link. I would really appreciate it. And take a look at all the bonuses down there and that we have on the page. And I will see you on the next one. Have a good day.